Hello guys, today this is gonna be my contest entry to Jaden Ramirez. Hope I'm saying his name right. So first I have this Lego Foxy from Basic Freddy's. I had to use this 4-sided brick. Only problem is, like, the back. That's the only problem, but in front, he looks pretty good. I used this gray piece to kind of have his face kind of broken. So yeah, I couldn't really give him a mouth, but I still think he's pretty good. So yeah, there's Foxy, has his peg leg, his hook. And then I also made a balloon boy, because he's one of they're both my two favorite characters, Foxy and Balloon Boy. So, yeah, Balloon Boy, he looks good from all sides. He has his hair on the back, and some nice stitches, and he has his orange. Here's this piece, so like then I stuck those in it, so the head would pop on, and I could attach that. So yeah, that is my contest entry to Jaden Ramirez. Goodbye.